What qualities should a home seller look for when selecting a real estate agent? Let's talk a minute about traditional old-school marketing. Back in the day, marketing a home for sale meant that the contracted agent would stick a sign in the yard, list the property on the multiple listing service, and run the occasional newspaper ad. When those simple tasks were done, the listing agent could then sit back and wait for someone else to bring in a potential buyer. They might even schedule an open house or two and hope someone walked through the door. Surprisingly, many real estate agents still use this strategy. However, the most successful agents in the industry have a wide variety of tools at their disposal to better service their clients. When choosing a real estate agent today, it's critical that you select someone who is proactive, an agent who offers far-reaching and aggressive marketing strategies. The best agents prepare thoroughly before actively marketing your home. Statistics show that 90% of prospective home buyers first look at a home online. Today's proactive agents ensure the online presence makes good use of professional photographs, high-quality videos, and virtual tours. The most successful agents are able to offer these and many other benefits to their clients, often at no extra charge. Sometimes drone photography is used to give prospective home buyers a bird's-eye view of your property. And before the first photo is taken, proactive agents professionally stage your home to present it at its very best. Work with listing agents who are actively searching for buyers. Today's top real estate agents focus their attention on exposing available properties to the widest audience possible. They accomplish this by utilizing a variety of programs and arranging placement on multiple websites. In most cases, a property can be featured on literally hundreds of real estate-oriented websites. These internet-savvy real estate professionals spend a great deal of time, energy, and money making sure that the properties they represent get the widest exposure possible. Top real estate professionals will also create a unique website for each home they represent. All of this online activity generates interest in your home not only locally, but throughout your region, across the United States, and even internationally. More activity and more exposure means more money for home sellers. What does all of this mean for the individual home seller? The answer is simple. Proactive agents create a higher level of interest in your property through their marketing efforts. More interest will generate more quality offers for your home. Simply put, more activity and more exposure ultimately means more money in a home seller's pocket.